Hello all. In today's video, let's discuss about the AI resume recommender. First, let's understand what is this AI resume recommender. Okay, just assume there is a person who is applying for a Gen AI job role. Okay, now he has seen a job post. Okay, and he has read it, and over there he has uploaded his resume. Now, as soon as he has uploaded his resume, it won't directly go to the HR. Okay, now it goes to the AI. Now what that AI will do is, first of all, it checks the skills, what are the required skills and what are the skills which are present in the resume. As per to that, it provides one percentage. Okay, 75 percentage skills are getting matched, or else 95 percentage skills are getting matched, and this number will be shared with the HR. As per to that, HR will get the idea what are the skills that person is going to have. Okay, this is called AI resume recommender. This is what we are going to code today. Now, first of all, let me show you the technical flow. Now, this is the technical flow. Over here, just assume this is the resume, and this resume we are going to place in the vector DB. There will be one predefined question. Okay, as per to this predefined question, we are going to get our answer. Okay, whether it is a 90% match or else 95% match. Okay. Now in between we are going to have, whenever we pose the question, we are going to get relevant documents, and that we are going to chain with the prompt. This prompt is nothing but HR will provide what are the skills which she required. Okay, that will be present inside the prompt, and that we are going to chain up with the LLM. Now at the end we are going to receive the answer. Okay, 90% of skills are getting matched with the required skills. Okay, this is how whole flow works. Now let's start the coding. Okay, now let's import the PyPDF loader. Let me add 2 sample resumes. I have added sample resumes. These sample resumes I have created with the help of the Copilot. One is related to the React.js and one more is related to the Gen AI. Now we have loaded our PDF file. Let me add this code, then I will explain you what is this. As we are going to do asynchronous related tasks, so whenever doing, at times we may face the issue. To avoid such kind of issues, we are adding this line of code. Now we are simply adding our document files in the data. Let me add this line of code and then I will explain you what is this. Now this line of code helps to manage and as well as run the asynchronous related task. I'm getting the auto suggestion. Let me take that. Okay, what this line of code is doing, like it is calling this function. Okay, now after completion of this whole function, then at the end we are going to receive the documents. That documents whole we are going to store in this document list. Now let me run this. Okay, now let me import the chart grok. Let me use this model. I have already added my chart grok API key in the secrets. Now let me add that code. Now over here we have to provide the name. So let me copy the name. Now let's check the LLM and it is working fine. Okay, now let's import the Hugging Face embeddings. Let me run the cell. Meanwhile, let me import the files as well. It's a vector DB. Now it has run successfully. Now inside the files, we are going to add the documents and as well as the embeddings. Now we need to add the documents. Now let's see what's the documents. This is our documents are present inside this. Now we need to add the embeddings as well. I'm getting the suggestion. These are our embeddings that we are going to add over here. Let me add. Now with the help of these embeddings, the documents will get converted to the vector. By that it will be very easy to do the semantic search. Now let me import the chart prompt template. Now I have already created the system prompt. Okay, let me copy paste that to save the time. Okay, let me read this for you because this is the main ingredient. Okay, with the help of this itself we can able to get our required answer. Okay, let me read the chart prompt. You are a resume analyzer. Okay, all the resume information has been given in the context. Required skills are these. What you can mention all the list of the skills which are required. Okay, if the resume has all required skills, then return the response as like 100% match to the requirement. If the resume only has half of the required skills, then the resume then response as like 50% match to the requirement. If the resume doesn't have even a single skill which present in the required skills, then response as like 0% match to the requirement. You decide the percentage as per to the required skills matched with the resume skills, and over here we are providing the context. Now let me run this cell. Now we are going to add both system and human. Okay, I'm getting the authorization. Let me take that. In short, we are adding over here system and as well as a human. In the system, we are passing this custom prompt which we have created, and in the question we are going to pass our question. Let me add that as like input. Let me run this cell. Now let's add the retriever. Now let me add the chain related code. I will explain you once after adding that. Now in this create stuff documents, we are going to pass the LLM and prompt. I will explain you why we are doing that. Okay, we are passing our LLM. What's our LLM? This is our LLM, and as well we are passing this prompt. Okay, now inside this create retrieval chain, we are going to pass this retriever and as well as this question answer chain. Now let me explain you what's exactly this. What we are doing over here is, this is what we are doing over here. Now what we have done over here, we have chained the relevant document, LLM and the prompt. This is what it's happening over here. We are chaining LLM, prompt and as well as the retriever. Okay, as per to this we are going to fetch our answer. Okay, 90% skills are getting matched. Okay, now let's add the question. I have as well created the question. Let me copy that. This is nothing but predefined question. Okay, now let me read the question for you. What's the percentage of the skills are getting matched with the resume and the required skills? Okay, this is our question. Now let me run the cell. See, it is mentioning like only 33 percentage of the skills are getting matched, because at the top we have uploaded the React.js related resume, but over here we have provided Gen AI related skills. Okay, now what we shall do is, let me change these skills. Let me add React.js related skills. See, Now it is mentioning like 83% of the skills are getting matched. Like even if you see over here, okay, this is present in the resume, this is present in the resume, these are the skills which are present in the resume. Okay, now in the same way, let's do it for another resume as well. Let me copy this. Now we have uploaded the Gen AI related resume. Now in the prompt, let's change the skills. Let's add Gen AI related skills. Now if you see, 100% are 100% skills are getting matched. Okay, this is how whole AI resume recommendation system will work. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case if you have learned anything, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you for watching this video.